And when we come back, we should get into the details for Saturday's Sports Special.
The fourth-ranked Sunshine Girls are coming off comfortable victories against the Trinidad and Tobago and the men's invitational teams. But that is like comparing chalk to cheese in competition against the Roses. The Roses are ranked third and have recalled 3 stars from their 2018 Commonwealth gold medal team. But that will not deter the Connie Francis-led team from making a strong statement.
I'm pretty pleased with the selection that we have. We have a mixture of young and experienced players, so I'm pretty sure that when we go out there and when we put that together and the skills as well that we come with, that we're going to do pretty well.
World-rated goal shooter and captain Janelle Fowler knows what to expect from the home team.
Well, it's a very good England team. I think they've come out all guns blazing from attacking to defensive end. It's going to be a really good series, and it's very good for us as well to play a very good lineup from England, because we want to see where we are coming with the games coming up next year, and we want to make sure that when we get to Commonwealth games, we at least have played a few of the top teams.
Shamira Sterling and the ever-improving Latanya Wilson are set to form the defensive base in the 3 matches.
This will be a good test for us just to show our capabilities with England. And then the girls haven't been playing netball for 2 years, so this is the opportunity and we are all eager to play, so let's see how the results go.
Well, I'm really excited to see what we will be doing in England. I'm excited at the fact that certain stuff that we are working on in training is finally, we're finally getting it. It's just about connecting on court now, so I'm excited.
Importantly, for the Sunshine Girls and their development ahead of the Commonwealth Games next year, one first-time traveller is out to make that impression last.
It's really important to me, and I do believe in my team and also my coach. So I'm not really worried because we're going there with our A game and we're ready for this.
After the opening game next Sunday, the teams will play on consecutive days on December 4 and 5 to close out the series. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.